Hey guys, I have a 2009 Mazda CX-9. Just a car that I've been using on Turo. It's all-wheel drive, and I've had this issue with the transfer case. Problem that I'm having right now is when you get to about 30 miles an hour, it starts whining or growling. It kind of sounds like a airplane engine just turning on and just like a loud whine or growl. At first, when I first heard it, I thought it was the knuckles, maybe the wheel bearing was bad or something along those lines, but soon after I realized that it was not that, and it was coming from the transmission engine area. Did some research on it and find out that it was definitely the transfer case. Some ways you can figure this out. If you do have a whine, you can turn, and if you turn left or turn right and it's louder going a certain turn, that's probably a wheel bearing issue. You can also put the gear into neutral while the noise is being made. If the noise stops, then that's probably a transmission issue. If you can't figure it out, you may want to put it on a lift and drive it on the lift, and then listen with a stethoscope and see where it's making that noise. But yeah, I'm going to show you where it's located and how to fix this. So you're going to want to remove the whole front subframe assembly like we have here. Next, you're going to want to remove this drive shaft. There's just 4 bolts holding it on right there. From there, you're going to remove the rear catalytic converter. It's on the right hand side of the transfer case. Tú.
Huh?
Tú.
So that's the whole transmission?
The catalytic converter has a few bolts that you need to remove. You're probably going to need a breaker bar to get them loose. And once you remove the catalytic converter, you can take it off and put it to the side.
No, manito, eso es de Hugo. O no sé.
After you remove the catalytic converter, you need to remove this CV axle shaft and disconnect it from the transfer case. We're going to remove the bolts on the driver's side of the transfer case first, just to get those out of the way.
¿El que va a alquilar o qué?
No.
¿Quién?
Yo, en caso de tengo que hacerlo de nuevo. Eso es el segundo vez.
¿Cómo así? Oye, papi. Ya salió. Háblame, mijo. ¿Qué hacéis? ¿Cambio de aceite, ven? Ah. Rache, ahí en la primera gaveta. Allá, ve, en la caja de gris. En la primera gaveta ahí. Sí. De ahí preguntame y yo te digo dónde está. ¿Ah? Gracias y disculpar la joda. No, chicos. Con delcito no se va a quitar nada, perro. Claro que no. Dale,
Son más grandes. Ah.
Dale coñazo, papá. Ya terminamos. Bueno, no me acuerdo cómo lo voy a armar, ¿viste, Jason?
Most of the bolts are easy to get to, but there is one on the back side. It's very hard to see unless you're really up there. And that's the only one that's hard to get to. It's all the way in the back, and I can't even get it on the camera.
No joda. ¿Dónde está ahí? Hace no se vio la misma. Ay, agárramelo, Lionel, agárramelo, güey. Todo tuyo. Sácalo.
After you get all your bolts removed, your transfer case is ready to come out.
Ey, aguántalo ahí. Poco a poco. Ayúdalo, Jason, ayúdalo. Jason!